everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Maker. Today I am going to show you a very interesting video. Before that, if you are not subscribed yet my channel, please subscribe it now. And today I am going to show you how to crochet this type of bag, a purse. It's look very nice and not much big, not much small. It can be used in any types of occasion. So without wasting your time, let's begin now. Now let's make this chain, 16 chain. Let's make it and leave the tip of the yarn for 45 centimeter as usual. And let's start now like this. You have to leave the tip of the yarn for 4 to 5 centimeter, and we have to make the 16 chain like this. 16 chains, it's already done here. So let's skip the fourth stitch, then crochet. See, you can see this, it's not so big, not so small. You must be thinking that it's very small, but it will not be small because we are going to make the oval shape. So let's start. So this time we will crochet, we will skip the first stitch, then we will crochet from the V shape, not from here, from the V shape, not this one, from the V shape. You can see this. We are going to skip the first stitch, then crochet from here like this. So we are going to crochet till end. So we have completed the first row. Now we are going to crochet 3 single chain in one stitch, where over here we are going to make it 3 single chain in one stitch. So let's start from here. Here let's make it 3 single chain in one stitch. Let's hide the yarn. Like this. So we have already crocheted 1, and this time it will be 2. So this will be the last. Like this. So we are going to make the oval shape, and now let's crochet single chain in one stitch. So we have to crochet till the end of the row, end of the row till here. Now the other side also completed, so let's crochet 3 single chain in one stitch from where, from the center, from here. So let's make it 3 single chains in one stitch like this. 1, then 2, then 3. So we have crocheted 3 single chain in one stitch, and now 1 single chain in one stitch like this for the second round till the end. Now the base part of the purse is ready. I made it 2 rounds. Now let's make the side wall. So we will make the side of the bag from here. So let's put the hook into the V shape over here. So you can see the V mark from there. You can put the hook like this and yarn over it, then pull it back like this again. So before that, let's mark this with mark pin, then again pull the yarn like this. See, you can see the wall. Repeat the same. You have to crochet till the. Now the side wall is ready. You can see this, and let's crochet. Take the yarn on the top of the hook, insert the hook into the down stitch like this, then pull up the yarn and crochet like this. Again put the yarn on the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, the down side like this. You have to repeat the same till the end, till here, till here. Let's start again. Now you can see the bag, the purse. See, we have to make the flip of the purse from this side, or it can be from this side also. It can be from body side. So I will make it from this side. So let's complete the fifth round. Repeat the same. Put the yarn on the hook and insert the hook into the down stitch like this. Now the fifth round, it's completed. You can see it's completed. Then we have to make the flip. You can see it's 5 rounds. So let's make it flip of the purse. Let's start from here. This time one single chain in one stitch like this till here. Now it's completed. You can see we have to crochet till here, and this side we will not crochet. You can see this, so we have to repeat the same. We have to crochet again, one crochet in one stitch like this, one single chain in one stitch. So we have to crochet till here like this. Now it's completed the second round. So this time put the yarn on the hook, insert the hook into the down stitch like earlier we did it. So this time also the same thing we are going to repeat. Put the yarn on the hook and insert the hook into the down stitch. Repeat the same like this. On the down side we have to insert the hook into the down stitch, and again put the yarn on the hook and insert the hook into the down stitch like this. You can see, so you have to crochet the same till here. Now the flip of the purse is ready. You can see inside the purse also it's quite big. Now let's hide the yarn. Pull up the yarn like this, then let's cut the yarn like this, and let's hide the yarn. Let's hide it now from inside like this. Hide the yarn like this. Now it's ready, the purse is ready, you can see. And now let's attach the lock from the center, from here, from the center of the purse like this, and then you can open the lock a little bit, then press it, tight it like this, and press it like this. See, it's ready. And another one, you have to tie the yarn like this as we did it in earlier. So let's attach the lock on the center of the second row. Here, center of the second row, take the yarn inside, pull it like this. The other one also, like this, and you have to tie the yarn let's take the let's tie the yarn like this. Another one also, let's tie it like this. Now your purse is ready. See, it's look very nice, and you can use it in any occasion. You can see this, it's look very much nice. So I hope you like my video. Now you can crochet a purse very easily at home. You can try from today onwards, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.